Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. Okay, a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. Okay, he wants to set up at the height of 2 meters. So let AB be the height of the slide. Okay, so height of the slide, and BC is the, let us suppose to take BC is the slide. Okay, so you want to set up it at a height of 2 meters. So mentioned in the question. Okay, that means side length of AB is 2 meters. Okay, and making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. That means this side BC. Okay, this slide BC makes an angle 30 degrees with the ground. So angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so what should be the length of the side? So we have to find the length of this slide BC. So here, so 30 degrees. So the side opposite to the 30 degrees is AB. So length value is given. So opposite by hypotenuse. That means if we apply sine here, so we can find the value of BC. Okay. So now, so let AB be the height of slide. Let us suppose to take first AB be the height of slide. Okay. And BC be the length of slide. Okay. So let us suppose to take AB be the height at which slide be. Okay. Height at which slide is placed. Okay. Slide is placed. Okay. So AB value, it is given that AB equal to 2 meters given. Okay, given in the question. And angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. So it is given in the question that the slide makes an angle 30 degrees with the ground. Okay, so by making an angle 30 degrees with the ground, that means this slide BC makes an angle 30 degrees with the ground. Okay, so angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. So it is given in the question. Okay, 30 degrees. Okay, so if in triangle ABC, so if we apply sine, okay, that means sine C equal to AB by BC. Okay, so sine C equal to, so side opposite by hypotenuse. That means opposite side to C is AB, by hypotenuse here is BC. Since the height is considered as vertical position, that means, so this is the 90 degrees angle and the side opposite is considered as hypotenuse. That means, so sine 30 equal to AB by BC we can consider. Okay, so sine 30 equal to, so AB value, it is given that 2 meters, by BC value we have to find. It implies that, so sine 30 value we know that 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 equal to 2 meters by BC. So if we cross multiply, so BC equal to, that means 2 into 2 meters. So it implies that BC equal to, so root 2 is 4 meters. So therefore the length of the slide is 4 meters. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, length of shadow of a 15 meters high pole is 15 root 3 meters at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so if, let us suppose to take AB be the height of the pole. Okay, so let AB be the height of the pole. So it is given that length of the shadow of 15 meters high pole. That means, so height of the pole AB is 15 meters. So given. Okay, so 15 meters high pole, it is mentioned in the question. Okay, so length of shadow of the 15 meter high pole is 15 root 3 meters. Okay, so the length of its shadow, that means, let us suppose to take AC be the shadow. Okay, AC be the shadow of the pole AB. Okay, so the length of shadow, it is given that 15 root 3. That means AC value is 15 root 3 meters. Okay, so at 8 o'clock in the morning. So at 8 o'clock in the morning, so the length of shadow of pole is 15 root 3. It is given. Okay, so then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at that time? So we have to find the angle of elevation of sun rays with the ground. Okay, so angle of elevation of sun rays with the ground, that means, so angle of elevation of the sun rays. So that means sun rays. So sun rays falls on the pole. Okay, so that means the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground. We have to find this value. Angle ACB we have to find. Okay, so now let us suppose to take, let AB be the height of tower. So let AB be the height of the tower and AC be the length of shadow. Okay, length of shadow. So it is given in the question that AB value is 15 meters and AC value equal to 15 root 3 meters. Okay, so height of the pole it is given that 15 meters and the length of shadow is 15 root 3 meters. So we have to find the value of ACB. Okay, so angle ACB equal to, you have to find. Okay, so what is the angle of elevation of the sun ray with the ground? So we have to find the angle of elevation of sun rays with the ground. That means angle ACB we have to find. So in triangle ABC, okay, so here, so we have to find angle C. That means, so the side opposite to the C is given and side adjacent to the C is given. That means if we apply tan, so if we apply tan here, okay, so tan C, so that means AB by AC. That means opposite by adjacent. So we can get the value of angle C. Okay, so tan C equal to AB by AC. Okay, so since pole is in the vertical position, so this BC is considered as the hypotenuse. So this is the opposite side to angle C and this is the adjacent side to angle C. Okay, so here tan C equal to opposite by adjacent. So it implies that tan C equal to, so AB value it is given that 15 meters by AC value is 15 root 3 given in the question. So 15 gets cancelled. Okay, so meters also get cancelled. That means tan C equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so it implies that tan C equal to, so 1 by root 3 in terms of tan we can write it as tan 30. Okay, so we know that tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Okay, that means in place of 1 by root 3 we can write tan 30. So, okay, so since tan gets cancelled, that means angle C equal to 30 degrees. So angle C, that means it implies that angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. So therefore the angle of elevation of sun rays, okay, the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground is 30 degrees. So this is the answer.